Hey everyone, today we're gonna do a halo smoky eye using the Jaclyn Morphe palette. First I'm taking the shade Mocha. Using circular motions, I'm gonna put it on the outer and inner parts of the lids, making a smoky halo eye. Then I'm taking the shade Chip and I'm just gonna do it exactly what I did with the shade Mocha. And now using the shade Soda Pop, I'm gonna put it exactly the same place, but only a little bit tighter and a little bit closer to the lid than the crease. Now taking some concealer on a flat brush, I'm gonna put it in the middle part of the lid, making sure that everything is nice and clean. And now with a different flat brush, we're gonna spray it with some Fix Plus and putting CC all over the lid. I'm just gonna go back with a little bit of Mocha Chip and Soda Pop just to make sure that every single shade is shown and not erased because of the concealer and the blending and everything. Using Mocha and Soda Pop, I'm just gonna fluff it out in the under eyes, making sure that everything is smoky and nice. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes, and then I'm gonna be using the Value Million Lashes by L'Oreal. So there you have it. This is the complete look. I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Happy Valentine's!